Right. Calcite veins. But when you look at them in detail, this is what they look like. Okay? What do you see?
Are they Slickenlines?
Yeah, they're Slickenlines.
Good, I thought that would
Okay? So, here's another piece. Okay? How are they? Oh, they're on the ground up there. How are they oriented? Up there. How are they oriented?
Oh.
Can't use these because
I was like,
because these things I just grabbed off the ground. How are those oriented? The lines.
Oh,
Put your pencil parallel to the line. Yeah. Okay. So they're vertical there, and if you go farther up there, they're like this. Okay. So it's like this there. They're like this on the vertical. So they kind of wrap up like this. Okay.
cool.
So what is strike here?
Who knows?
What direction is strike? Whoa. Of the fold? No. Strike. Let's take that bed. Strike is oriented how? What's strike? Yeah, like this. Yes. And it's the same thing down here, right? Strike's like this. Here it's dipping that way. There it's dipping that way. Yeah, I know. It was a non-intuitive question. But my point for asking it is, how are those Slickenlines oriented parallel?
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular to strike.
Yep.
So, we have a name for that. How do you think those things form? What does Slickenlines mean? Movement. So we have a fault here, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Why is that fault here? Is this a big, major, through-going fault? Is it a little pea shooter fault? What is it? Notice that those lines curve right around with the fold, don't they? Yeah. So what do you think they're related to?
The fold.
The fold. Okay. This is one of those situations where we had two beds like this, and we folded it, and my hand that's closer to you has to slide relative to the top one because of preserving the bed thickness. These are flexural slip lines or lineations, and so yeah, it is a little fault, but the only reason that there's been slip on this surface is because of the fold. So this is a brilliant example of flexural slip folding, where each of these bedding planes had to adjust a little bit because of the curvature of the folding. And the notes tell you that.